And there he goes, all fixed up and repaired. Welcome back. And if you're brand new here, we are Steven and Nudge. Yeah, so when you live in Thailand, most people own a motorbike. This guy came for a haircut, and then his bike won't start. So these are the types of things you have to know how to do without calling Joe's Garage. Yes, he's got spark plugs there, so that's what I was thinking. Take the fairing off, pull the plug off. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Well, at least you got spares. Brand new. Let's see if that's going to work. Look at that. Good job. If this had happened to you, would you have known how to get your bike going? If so, let me know in the comments. I thought below. It was flooded, but he knows what he's doing. And there he goes. The only thing that cost him was a brand new spark plug and the knowledge of how to do it. In less than 5 minutes, he was done. YouTube thinks you're going to enjoy the video that pops up. I hope you do, because by clicking on it, it helps push my content.